was going to get out, but the door didn't open.
And then?
What happened? What happened to the princess?
The real roots can wash the door up to the Caribbean Park and the Caribbean Park and the green
Nawawala na lang
Park
kanina.
and the Caribbean Park after the toaster. Then the mean rats put boots up in the tower.
Oh boy!
And that was what he made to Joa with boots red and the
Boots? I know Boots.
Boots is from Joa.
Yeah, I know him.
And the wasking
Very good.
Very good, Makila.
Very good.
What did you eat today?
Wap, 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 wap.
Oh my God, Kayla.
Good girl, good girl.
Tumon, pag kinikis siya, pinupunasan niya.
And the fence is up and the tower.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Very good.
Very good, Kayla.
Princess and the Baba.
You have so many stories to tell, Kayla.
You have a lot of story, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Let's put Joa and up in the sky, right up over there.
Oh yeah, way up in the sky.
Then was but he hot up.
The
Good
end.
girl.
The end.
Good girl. The
Thank you,
end.
Kayla, for the story.
Thank you.
What you gonna tell me tomorrow?